Hey everyone, I hope you are all having a great week so far. We are just coming off of the heels of a really busy week here. We were on the Charlotte Art in the Garden tour, and we just wanted to say thank you to everybody who showed up for us and toured around the garden. There were so many wonderful people here, just oohing and awing over the space, and of course that made us so proud and so happy, and we're just so thankful for each and every one of you that came out to support us and came out to enjoy the garden and just see it for yourself in person. But a few things came up while the garden tour was happening, and it was questions about plants that we just sort of didn't expect. We got lots of questions about one plant in particular that I thought I would show you. So this is Solar Eclipse Bamaria, and it is one of the most bright and interesting plants in our garden. It has this beautiful gold and sort of bright yellow variegation. It's got that dark green center, and it's perfect in our entryway garden, which you guys know is pretty shady and woodlands-esque. So in the past few years, it's gotten bigger and bigger, and it's just become something that everybody talks about in our garden, and we really love it. And we got this years ago at Juniper Level Botanical Garden, which is part of Plant Delight's Nursery, which is an online store for really unique and interesting natives. They have some beautiful things available online. And we got the chance to tour around this facility and the botanical garden, which just had all of these incredible varieties and different species of plants around the whole property. And it was such a beautiful day, but that tour never made it online, and it never made it to you guys to see it. So because everybody was so interested in this one plant, we thought, oh my gosh, we need to show that tour. We need to show everybody what beautiful things are at Plant Delight's Nursery. I believe their open days are coming up, so if you guys are in the Raleigh area or in the region, it's definitely worth the drive if you're available. There are so many unique varieties and just gorgeous specimens that deserve to see the light of day, and you guys would enjoy it so much. So we hope you enjoy this. Sit back, enjoy this beautiful walk around Juniper Level Botanical Garden, and from our garden to yours, we'll see you soon. Hey guys, so this weekend we are in Raleigh for Tyler's cousin's wedding, and we just so happened to come to Plant Delight's Nursery, which, if you guys aren't familiar with, is a really amazing plant provider online. You can buy really unique varieties, and they also have a botanical garden here. So we just so happened to be here when they're open for the weekend. They're only open several weekends a year so that you can come and tour the gardens, and there are so many beautiful things to see.
It's honestly kind of like wild and looks very natural, but there's a lot of really pretty stuff to look at. So we're going to take you guys along with us as we do a little bit of shopping, but also a little bit of sightseeing through the gardens.
Taking a break in the shade.
Is this all shade plants?
I think so. There's so many plants, you guys.
Ooh.
They're everywhere, and we're just like dying to take a carload home.
Here's a leopard plant.
The leaves are a lot bigger than what we saw in London. It's still cool though.
I said, Brian's happy now.
I'm very happy now. All right, guys, so we are all done at Juniper Botanic Gardens, which is the botanical gardens that Plant Delights is at.
Yep.
It was incredibly beautiful. There are so many things here. I feel like I could have stayed all day long, which of course we don't have time for.
I was overwhelmed. I think I need a few hours just to walk through and like process it all. Brian is just like, he can take it all in, but I'm like, okay, this is like too much for my brain to process at once.
Yes.
But Brian did find the European ginger, or something very, very similar that we saw at the Chelsea Flower Show that he's been dying to have.
Yeah.
So we got some of that, and then one other plant that we can't remember the name of it, but all of it is gonna go in our entryway garden, and it's just gonna help everything fill in and make it look more natural, which is kind of what they've done here. Everything looks like it's been here for 50 years. So
yeah. If you guys are in the region and they're ever open, make sure you guys stop by and tour the gardens. They're huge. They're definitely worth the day trip if you can make it here when they're open, because there's just so much to discover.
But you can also shop it online, right?
Yeah. Yeah, you can shop online. Like I said earlier, they have all of these unique varieties. They'll ship them to you. They're pros at this, so they'll all get to you in one piece. We were just lucky enough to come today. And they were open, and we got a few great things. Anyway, we hope you guys have enjoyed this little walk through Juniper Gardens, and we will see you next time.
Bye.